I got to take a look at the Reggea Boyz squad, announced to face the USA on Thursday in Jamaica and on Monday in the USA. Now, first things first, Leon Bailey is back. No issues there. It was the coach's decision, and the coach said the ball are ready, and the baller said ready, then we should all be ready. Outside of the other usual suspects, Bobby Reed is absent for personal reasons, while there is a first-time call-up for midfielder Isaac Hayden. And of course, Mason Holgate retains his spot. Now with Mason Greenwood still being chased by the JFF, my question is, when will the squad, or better yet, the team, be fully settled? What or when is the cutoff point? Are we going to keep chasing and looking at more players until the World Cup qualifiers start? And if we keep adding pieces and adding pieces, then when is the team going to get time to gel? When is Coach McLaren going to finally know his best 11, or better yet, his best squad? I don't know about you, but to me, this feels like deja vu. Anyway, Thursday.